Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, let me show you how to protect your profit with capped discount in Shopify. For example, instead of giving unlimited 10% off, you can cap it at $200. That way, even if someone places a $5,000 order, the discount never goes beyond $200. Before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Shopify tips. For this, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. You can also download it from Shopify App Store. Else, I have added the link of the app in the description box. Please check it out. Once downloaded it, I can access the app from the Shopify admin panel. Now click on Next Discount app and select Create New Discount. Now choose the discount type as discount code and add any discount code. I'm adding here as save 10 and I'm setting a percentage of 10 and my capping amount as 200. Now I'm adding the discount applies to for all products and I'm not giving any minimum purchase, so I'm choosing no minimum purchase requirements. Now I'm adding the customer eligibility as all customers. The we can limit the number of times this discount can be used in total and limit to one use per customers. I can set a start date and an end date through which the discount should be activated. I can also combine the existing discount with this discount. The existing ones like product discount, order discount or shipping discounts. After adding all this, I can save the changes. Once saved it, I can check whether the discount is got activated from the discount section. See, the save 10 has got activated. Now I can check whether this is working fine in our online store or not. Now I'm adding a product is of 149 and I'm adding it my discount code here. See, the capping amount is 200, but the 10% of 749 is 74. So this as discount price shows as 74. Now I'm adding another product which costs 1025 and I'm adding the discount code here. On applying, you can see that my discounted amount is 102, which is the 10% of 1025, but it again never goes beyond $200. So that's how you protect your profit with cap discount in Shopify. Don't forget that the description box contains the link. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.